Hey everyone, and welcome back. In the last video, we compared Renko with candlestick and Aikinashi charts, and we understood that how simple these charts are, right? And we also saw that if you try to go and lock these blocks at a lower time frame, you are expected to shell out around 36,000. And in this video, part 3, we'll be looking at how to decide on the brick size, what are the types of options that are available to decide on the brick size, and to also save that 38,000 and to still use Renko bricks at a 1 minute time frame. Okay, let us begin. All right, so the first type of Renko brick selection is called the traditional type. Okay, here this is the most simplest of all. Here, all you have to do is manually set a box size. So there is traditional, ATR, and percentage. Traditional simply means you manually decide how much the box size is. Let's say you put it as 50. That simply means each box size is 50. The catch here is the box size directly relates, as I said, to sensitivity. If the box size that you have selected is, let's say, too little, okay, then this increases the number of boxes. You see here, that is way too much, right? So that increases a lot of sensitivity to the chart. If you, let's say, make it too big a size, then you get only fewer signals, right? So deciding on the block size is extremely crucial. So here, traditional, if you're familiar with the stock price, and if there is a particular box size that you're comfortable, you can go ahead and choose this. But this does not apply automatically to all the charts because each chart is unique because of the price range. So you will have to manually decide on what the price range should be for each of the stock, and that might be a little tedious, right? So that is one drawback, but then this is the most easiest way to start with for Renko bricks. So you select a particular box size and the boxes get created. Kindly ensure that when you look at the block, it shouldn't feel like it is too much or too little. All right. So the next one is the ATR method. Okay. ATR simply means average true range. Here the block will automatically adjust based on the volatility in the market. Okay. That means during volatile markets, the blocks get bigger in size, and during calm periods, they shrink. Okay, that means the ATR adapts to market volatility. So here you can choose based on a period 10 days, 14 days, 10 days. It will take into account the average true range or the volatility of the last 10 days, basis which a candle size is decided, and you will be able to look at the candle size here. Okay, so the candle size here is 200. Okay, the standard is 14 days if you're choosing an ATR budget. ATR, as I said, it is dynamic based on the chart that you have opened. This will automatically be applied based on the volatility of that particular chart. But as I said, when the volatility is extremely high, the box size also becomes high. So that might have a negative effect on your risk reward ratio or risk management. Okay. But this is the second type of brick selection for Renko. The third type is my favorite, which is the percentage chart. Okay, so here you just have to choose a particular percentage, and based on the percentage that you have chosen for that particular chart, the bricks get automatically populated. So let's say I have chosen 0.25 as the percentage for this chart. So here it gets automatically populated at 0.25%, which will come at 50 points. Okay. The same can be done for any chart. It will get auto applied. So 0.25% for Nifty Bank will come at 150. For Kotak, it will come at 5 points. So here, this is dynamically applied for all the charts. So you don't have to worry about manually putting in the values again. And this adapts to the price points. So basically, you can look at the chart, look at the risk factor, and then decide on a percentage point that you want to pursue for these charts. I'd recommend 0.25 for Nifty because this gives us a clearer view of what is happening. Okay, 1 to 3% for a medium to long term range and 3% for a longer range. Okay, so this is how we decide on the percentage through which brick size are created. Okay, and now coming to the most important thing, that is on how to save this 38,000, right? So here we have a platform which is my favorite that I can refer all of you on, but for that all you have to do is three things. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video to 5 groups on WhatsApp and to 5 friends of yours, and then comment done. Once you comment done, I will go ahead and give you a link to access this particular website through which you can open a demat account and thereby save this 38,000. For that, all you have to do is put in your email address, first name, last name, and WhatsApp phone number, and then click on subscribe. Once you click on subscribe, you will receive an email, and predominantly you may see the email in the spam folder, right? You will receive an email like this, and on this email you will have a link to go ahead and create your free demat plus trading account. Okay, once this is done, you can write to us on this email address that is given here, and you will be receiving a premium indicator for trading you, which will help you with your trading. If you see here, this indicator is helping me make decisions. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead to the task that has been given and save that 38,000. All right, I hope this video has been helpful for all of you and that you've learned this new and unique Japanese chart type, which will up your trading game tenfolds. Thank you.